Good evening, people. Today, I wanted to tell you I found a solution how to avoid strange artifacts when working with multi-resolution in Blender. I know I found a solution because it is still possible to model even when you use edit mode. What I did, I will explain to you. Normally, uh, when you use sculpt brush, it seems to be okay for sculpt brush to modify polygon, and I have to tell you why when you try to edit polygon in edit mode while using multi-resolution, sometimes strange artifacts come up. I found a solution what to do in this case, and you will be happy. It doesn't happen when you use sculpt brush, but I found the way to avoid strange artifacts. What I did, I don't turn modifier on while I'm editing polygon, because normally this can be on modifier. You can disable modifier when you are working with polygon, but you can still see changes, but positive changes. For example, I would like to edit my leg. I will turn modifier off and I will get back to edit mode. Normally, if you leave this on, strange artifacts will come up. Let's scale our leg. I wish I could change this, but it should still work. I disabled the multi-resolution in edit mode, so after when you turn this on, you shouldn't see any artifacts. Uh, you can only turn this on when you are in sculpt mode. When I get back to edit mode, I turn this off, but you can still see changes. But I will show you in a minute. I would like to explain to you how to avoid ugly artifacts. Uh, you need to watch what I'm doing. First of all, I added extra geometry. I turned this on. Oh no, I shouldn't do that in edit mode. You can see no ugly artifacts came up. But I would like to show you something. Control D. I have to copy all the objects once again. Control D. We will have to do some modifications, but in completely different way. For example, we will turn this on and we will get back to edit mode. This is wrong. You shouldn't turn this modifier on while in edit mode. You will see what will happen. Hopefully, I will be able to show you what I exactly mean by turning multi-resolution modifier off while in editing. At the moment nothing happened, but keep in mind that sometimes strange ugly artifacts come up. Also, what I did as well, this is because I probably applied one of the transforms, like apply apply all transforms. I believe this helped me with my geometry because I no longer see any overlapping vertices when I work with polygon object. When I turn modifier on, I believe this option also could help me with my modifier, but I turn modifier off in viewport, and what I did, I also applied all transforms. I believe this thing helped me with modifier because I had ugly and strange artifacts. But check for yourself. Let's add extra vertices. What I will do, I would like to dissolve this. You can see I don't have any overlapping points here. But at the same time, I turn modifier off and I get back to edit mode, and at least nothing happens wrong. You can still use the modifier and do not worry about anything what would happen, but I believe this option helped me to fix issues. Apply all the transforms, and I also disable in edit mode, in object mode, before I get back to edit mode. See you guys.